Good morning, everyone. It's January 28th of 2025, and we are like an hour and 20 minutes before the market opens. And one of the things that we had talked about going into the week was that the SPXL was right here. We were getting close, right there, as far as getting close to resistance, right there. And you can see that we almost got there. Didn't quite get there, and then we sold off. You could also mark it right here and say that we were able to take out this big 3 bar right here. That's the purple. And then we tried to go higher, and then we gapped down. And you can see that action here as well in the cues, where depending on how you draw support and resistance, I like to go to the top of the wicks, but I know people who will do it right to the body. But either which way, I mean, whether you do it at the top of the wick or at the body, just understand that either which way, you're just learning how to read an area. Analytical people will be exact. They will want it to take out price to the penny. But I've been doing this long enough now to know that once you get into the area, that's where you have to kind of keep an open mind. And you can see this over here in TNA too, where if you just draw these areas, here we didn't come back as hard. And then on UDOW right here, look at that. Just when you thought UDOW and TNA were going to go down with the other two, what did UDOW do? Whatever it wanted to, and it went right back up. Now keep in mind that TNA has and UDOW have room to run. UDOW can run back up to here, and then TNA all the way back up to here. So it wouldn't shock me to see us hold this level here for a while, chop around, and then possibly go back up through. Uh, I really think sooner or later we will come back up into this $50 area for TNA. And then with SPXL and TQQ, I mean, right there, if you really want to draw it, until we reverse, that's where we're at right now. That's your magnitude right through here. This is pretty steep, but here's the deal. We always talk about a chop box, and you can see that chop box right there now, can't you? You can see how we were in here, and then we broadened, and then we reversed. And you also can see that right through here as well, where price just kind of broadened, and then we reversed. And every time we go lower, we go just a little bit lower, just like we did here. So that right there is your box right now. And then up here, your box, because we went a little bit lower, is right there. Ugly, ugly action. You could even draw it on TNA, something like this. Just going sideways, guys. Just going sideways. And this is where people give back the most money in the market, because they want the market to do what they expect it to do. And when you start chopping around in here and you start buying calls and you buy puts, man, you better be very, very fast to take your money, because this sideways action through here on all 4 of the ETFs will kill you if you are buying options and holding them for longer than the trade tells you to. And that is based upon the time frame that you're using. For some people, that's a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart. But the point is that it's an intraday chart that people are using, and you have to be that quick in the chop. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this.